Firstly, log into your account portal using your 10-digit customer ID and password. Now, click on Service Number Management. Then select Routing Templates. Now, click Add New Template. Name your template, for example, Public Holiday. Then create your template, using the features you require. When you are finished, scroll up and click Save. To put your new template in place, click Service Number Management. Then, click on your service number. Click the drop-down, under Forward Incoming Calls To, and select Insert Template. Choose your template from the list, then under Import Style, choose Copy, followed by Copy Template. Finally, scroll up and click Save.